So we're here at Devil's Sponge Bowl Conservation Area in Hamilton.
Bowl there?
So
Yes.
that's the bowl.
So it's like it's
That's what you
man-made. It's
call-
quarry.
No, it's not man-made. It was
It's
like
natural?
natural. It was built like that a million years ago. It
Oh.
says like during Ice Age, something like that on Google.
That's where the gods make their salad.
Right there.
It's a Devil's Sponge Bowl.
That's
Oh,
the-
It's
then
not
the
a
devil
god.
then.
Devil god?
The devil. That's where he
The
makes.
devil
That's
did.
where he makes his deviled eggs. Devil eggs. Really?
So
It
there's
looks-
no
Picture,
waterfall
It looks like
because it's
man-made.
dry in Ontario, no rain.
Ma. Look.
We're here at the top of the Devil's Sponge Bowl, overlooking Hamilton.
Oh yeah, we're roll backwards. Whoa!